Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here I have bought the X-Men Designs Tornado V3. It's a very nice cube and here I've got the Pioneer version of it. So let's unbox it. Look at that. What a beauty. Let's get to the cube last. Looking at the box, the white and red theme is a really nice combination of luxury. Now let's check out the accessories. Here we have the instructions manual for the cube adjustments, of course, with where you can adjust your cube magnet strength and rest of the things. Okay, and that's an X-Men Designs card. Just like Gan, I guess. Here we have a cleaning cloth and a cube bag. It's a very clean white theme bag with the X-Men logo. The material feels like an artificial leather type. Yeah, I guess it's smooth and not like the rest of the cube bags in the market, but I like it. Now, aside from the accessories, let's get into the cube. The cube has a magnetic transparent case. It's not bad. You can see the magnets here, and there, yes. The cube feels like a premium cube and it's pretty quick out of the box. But it feels a bit dry and sounds clunky, I think. But after some lubricating and adjustment, it should be pretty good. So let's do some algorithms and see the performance. It has great corner cutting and sometimes it has a catch. But I think we can fix that with messing around the adjustment system to make it to our own preference. Let's do some solves, I guess. It's a really great cube. Don't judge it by my performance. I bought this cube from Speed Cube Shop, the original Speed Cube retailer. This is a birthday gift from my friends. I was waiting very eagerly for the cube to arrive because from USA to UAE it took about 2 months to arrive. It takes some time to get used to the quick and effortless turns the cube can make. So here you can see the magnets in the edge pieces and you can see the dots near the magnets with plus and minus symbols. I think currently it's in the second most weakest setting. Let's open the cube. Now you can clearly see the magnet and there should be a settings tool somewhere. Yep, here it is. The settings tool looks like a minus screwdriver. Okay, so let's see. It has plus and minus. Wait. Now I'm changing the settings to the strongest magnet setting. You can see it's near the plus. And now back to the lowest setting near the minus. So that is how you can change the magnet strength. Now let's check out the corner piece. So here you can see the corner piece has magnets from the corner to core magnet system, as it's a Pioneer version which I've got. And of course it has magnets in the corner piece to attract it to the edge pieces. So now let's get into the center of the cube. So in this adjustment setting type, you can see this is screw, but it is not recommended to change the depth, screw depth with unscrew, I mean loosening or tightening the screw. That's why you have two types of adjustment. So by turning that knob to the left side, you can change, you can decrease the axis distance, and by turning the knob to the right side you can increase the spring tension, but in this case it's mag level settings. So as you can see, it's a well made cube, but can it live up to its hype? My answer will be yes, it can. It's a flexible cube with lots of adjustments to fit into your own style. So I guess that's all for the unboxing video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.